Alright, Java beginners, let's dive into the world of constructors. Constructors are special methods used to initialize objects in Java. They have the same name as the class and no return type, not even void. First up, the default constructor. It doesn't take any parameters and sets default values. Here's an example with a car class Java class car. When you run it, you get car object created and brand Toyota speed 0. Simple, right? Next, the parameterized constructor. This one allows you to pass values when creating an object. Check it out, Java class car. This time you'll see brand Honda, speed 120, easy peasy, finally. The copy constructor. Java doesn't provide one by default, but you can create your own. Here's how Java class car slash. Run this, and you get brand BMW speed 200 twice. You've just created a copy of an object. Remember, constructors are called automatically when an object is created. If you don't define any, Java provides a default No-Arg constructor. And don't forget, and are your friends for calling other constructors? Got questions? Drop them in the comments.